Welcome to the tutorial, using the AI Performance Diagnostic Tool for researching the magic counter case. This case focuses on business sectorial process, in particular, in the retail sector, online and brick-and-mortar business. The retail sector workflow researched in this case is retail cash management. This video will deal with a sectorial process, analyzing workflows present in the retail sector of economic activity. In this case, we will see how the same AI solution has two cumulative effects. The first effect is to increase the effectiveness of the business, the second one is to improve the efficiency of the process and the business as a whole. The case to be reviewed is the following. 2030 SSS. The Super Sports Stores wants to maintain its position as a leading sports retailer and improve its financial results. They have previously invested with good results in actions such as external communication, decoration of their shops, and organization of their assortment. They want to go a step further. They are considering implementing improvements to reinforce their avant-garde positioning and improve their financial operating result. They have heard about AI retail solutions and decided to search the PERFORM AI database in its Impact Diagnostic Tool. Jack, store manager of 2030 SSS, enters the diagnostic tool, checks the available solutions for the retail sector and Eureka! In the retail cash management workflow, finds a tool that seems to meet what he is looking for, cashier-free systems, which on the one hand increases effectiveness by increasing customer satisfaction, and on the other hand, increases efficiency by decreasing the costs associated with the process. We must access the project website to use the PERFORM AI Diagnostic Tool. From any internet browser, go to the PERFORM AI website, type perform-ai.eu. At the upper menu, click on What do we offer? Scroll down until you arrive at the section containing the different links to the project outcomes. To open the tool, please click on the Diagnostic Tool link. To do this, we will open the website, which I have already opened here, the PERFORM AI tool. We will select our language. On the first screen, we will be shown a short message explaining what this tool is and how you can use it. You have a few examples of videos showing you how to use it, such as this one. We also have a link that will show you the AI methodologies within the website. It is a table with the definitions of methodologies. We recommend that you have these open at all times, so you can see the different methodologies within the tools you will be using. If we go back to our tab, we can close this message and start using the tool. The first thing we will do is enter our name and surname so that these can be stored in the PDF that you will download later on. Following this, we will name the session. In this case, we can call this one Now, the use of the tool begins. In this case, we are interested in a process within the sectorial business process, which are processes specifics for the different types of businesses. So, we click on the sectorial business processes and see that this opens a set of different processes within. We're interested in retail, so we click on it. We see a list of workflows that are relevant for retail within sectorial business processes. Because we're interested in the retail cash management, we then click on it and we can see the cashier-free systems. This system is addressed to handle essential tasks, such as payment and customer store checkout, at a higher volume and faster pace than using human cashiers. We can open this new PDF that has been downloaded, and you can see here your name and your session, and then you have here a lot of information about the tool that you've selected. You have the name of the tool, and you have the definition of the process types and workflows that this tool belongs to. We also have the general tool data and tool impact based on our database. The efficacy KPI is here, as well as the efficiency KPI. And you can see here, if it is available, the source where this data was taken from. Within this PDF, you can actually also see the calculation procedure that you will need to use to calculate the ROI and costs. You can use these data to decide which solution to implement. So, you have here the ROI and the profit calculation, and with the data we've been providing you, you can calculate what the cost and potential profit might be of this tool. Cashier-free systems eliminate, in whole or in part, the need for a human cashier to collect the products chosen by customers at the shop exit. Back to our magic counter case, Jack requests information from a specialized supplier with experience in this AI solution. The supplier informs him of two available solutions. Solution A, auto-checkout. In this solution, a machine assists the customer in a self-checkout process based on automated scanning and weighing of products. This solution reduces the number of employees needed to manage 4 checkout stations, from 4 to 1. Solution B, cashier-free system. In this solution, the customer passes through an arch that detects all purchased items and, then, charges them directly to the bank account associated with the customer's mobile phone, issuing an invoice by email. There is no charge time and no physical action of counting the products, just passing through the arch. This solution means that one person can attend to potential incidents of a complete shop, which had approximately 8 checkout lines before the AI solution. The 2030 SSS. Business data to be handled by Jack for input into the ROI calculation Excel template are: current number of cashiers per shop equals 8. Current annual cost per cashier equals 14,000 euros. Approximate yearly sales per shop equals 800,000 euros, and the gross margin on sales equals 40%. Now, it is time to get ready to use Diagnostic Tool's Excel template to evaluate the impact of both solutions and make a decision. We need here some more information from the supplier. Based on the current costs of the technology and the results of previous implementations with other customers, the AI solution provider offers you this data. Tool 1. Auto Cashier. Costs. Initial cost per auto cashier equals 5,000 euros. Annual cost of the maintenance program per machine equals 1,000 euros. The lifetime of the solution. Guaranteed lifetime by contracting the maintenance program equals 10 years. Increase in business efficacy. Increased traffic to the shop, due to improved customer satisfaction over competitor shops, less time wasted at checkout, equals 5% increase in annual sales. Increase in process efficiency. Savings in personnel costs equals 4 machines per employee ratio. Efficacy analysis. Additional annual revenue equals 5% multiplied per 800,000 is equal to 40,000 euro. Gross margin on additional sales equals 40,000 multiplied per 40% equals 16,000 euros, multiplied per 10 years equals 160,000 euros. Efficiency analysis. Cost savings. Current annual checkout staff cost with the current system equals 8 multiplied per 14,000 is equal to 112,000 euro multiplied per 10 years, equals 1,120,000 euros. Annual staff cost at checkouts with the auto cashier solution equals 2 multiplied per 14,000 is equal to 28,000 euro multiplied per 10 years, equals 280,000 euros. Personnel cost savings over 10 years equals €840,000. Total lifetime improvement solution, efficacy plus efficiency, equals 160,000 plus 840,000 equals €1,000,000. Solution cost equals implementation cost multiplied per number of machines, plus maintenance cost multiplied per number of machines multiplied per year's lifetime solution equals 5,000 multiplied per 8, plus 1,000 multiplied per 8 multiplied per 10, equals 40,000 plus 80,000 is equal to €120,000. Economic impact equals total improvement minus total cost equals 1,000,000 minus 120,000 is equal to €880,000. AI solution ROI equals total improvement divided by total cost multiplied per 100 equals 880,000 divided by 120,000 multiplied per 100 equals 733.33%. You should use the impact analysis template provided on the PERFORM AI project website to make the calculations. The results of analyzing the research tools should look like the ones presented in the following example slides. First, we will introduce the provided data related to the tool's economic improvements. Next, we will introduce the cost data related to the tool's economic implementation, and then we will be able to obtain the economic impact calculation. And again, based on the current costs of the technology and the results of previous implementations with other customers, the AI solution provider offers you this data about this second AI solution. Tool 2. Cashier-free system. Costs. Initial cost of CFS equals €125,000. Annual cost of maintenance program equals €12,000. The lifetime of the solution. Guaranteed lifetime by contracting the maintenance program equals 10 years. Increase in business efficacy. Increased traffic to the shop due to improved customer satisfaction over competitor shops. Cutting-edge image of the shop and uncontrolled direct exit equals 10% increase in annual sales. Increase in process efficiency. Staff cost savings equals 1 person per shop ratio. Efficacy analysis. Additional annual revenue equals 10% multiplied per 800,000 is equal to 80,000. Gross margin on additional sales equals 80,000 multiplied per 40% equals €32,000. Multiplied per 10 years equals €320,000. Efficiency analysis. Cost savings. Current annual checkout staff cost with the current system equals 8 multiplied per 14,000 is equal to €112,000 multiplied per 10 years equals €1,120,000. Annual staff cost at checkouts with cashier-free system solution equals 1 multiplied per 14,000 equals €14,000 multiplied per 10 years equals €140,000. Savings in personnel costs over 10 years equals €980,000. Total lifetime improvement solution, efficacy plus efficiency, equals 320,000 plus 980,000 is equal to €1,300,000. Solution cost equals implementation cost multiplied per number of machines, plus maintenance cost multiplied per the number of machines multiplied per year's lifetime solution equals 125,000 multiplied per 1, plus 12,000 multiplied per 1 multiplied per 10, equals 125,000 plus 120,000 is equal to €245,000. Economic impact equals total improvement minus total cost, equals 1,300,000 minus 245,000 is equal to €1,055,000. Economic high solution ROI equals total improvement divided by total cost, multiplied per 100 equals 1,055,000 divided by 245,000, multiplied per 100 equals 430.61%. You should use the impact analysis template provided on the PERFORM AI project website to make the calculations. The results of analyzing the research tools should look like the ones presented in the following example slides. First, we will introduce the provided data related to the tool's economic improvements. Next, we will introduce the cost data related to the tool's economic implementation, and then we will be able to obtain the economic impact calculation. Comparing results, we can see that Solution 1, Auto Cashier. Economic impact equals total improvement minus total cost equals 1 million minus 120,000 is equal to 880,000 euro. AI solution ROI equals total improvement divided by total cost multiplied per 100 equals 880,000 divided by 120,000 multiplied per 100 equals 733.33%. Solution 2, Cashier-free system. Economic impact equals total improvement minus total cost equals 1,300,000 minus 245,000 is equal to 1,055,000 euros. AI solution ROI equals total improvement slash total cost asterisk 100 equals 1,055,000 slash 245,000 asterisk 100 equals 430, 61%. Jack can now make his decision considering that. First, Solution 1 offers more return per euro invested, and the need for investment is less than half than Solution 2. And second, the difference in the state-of-the-art image and the difficulty of direct copying due to its technological complexity both favor Solution 2. Thanks for watching. Continue learning about AI at our website, perform-ai.eu.